I picked up a load of steel for the Christmas break. I'm off work for like 14 days on vacation. And one of the things I'm going to do is build a canoe rack for the family canoe. So this is the family canoe. It was a Father's Day gift years ago. Actually, when we lived in France, we brought it back with us. But it's not what you call speedy. It is stable. It's really nice for just poking along a lake on a camping trip or something. It didn't get a whole lot of use this year, so it's just been sitting here in the yard, taking up space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a rack right there and get it above the windows. And A, it'll give a little shade in the summer, and B, it'll be up out of the yard and I can do something else with those sawhorses. Using my Hulk roller for a little bent tube action on this project. We're all jigged up. Got my square in there, and I'm ready to tack this side, and then I'll flip it over and I will tack the other side. I had some steel gussets made with my logo in them specifically for this project. I am the first to admit I am not a professional welder. I am instead a grinding and sanding machine. Look at that. Works just fine. Alright, hour and a half or so of welding, grinding and sanding. It's going to be a couple of days before I get to paint. So I went ahead and primed all the sanded joints just so I don't get any surface rust until I get to it. But yeah, I'm happy so far. This is actually a 10.5 foot diameter circle. I'll put some drawings below on exactly what this is, all the pieces and the cut list and all that, and I'll include that. Yeah. All right, let's get it painted, hung up, and get a canoe hung. Winter, Seattle, it's raining again. It's still raining out there, so I have moved paint production to the inside for the foreseeable future. I'm going to put, this all has a single coat of black on it plus the primer. I'm going to put another coat of black on both sides and then just let it sit and degas and cook off for a week or so before I mount it. Hopefully the rain will stop by then. Pilot holes are drilled, and I'm going to attach them to structure on the garage. The header above the window, and then some of the blocking between the studs with some 4.5 inch headlocks. So this, I mean, I should be able to do chin-ups on this thing with the hardware that's going on here. Because water is insidious, and I have hardy siding on my garage. I pre-drilled these holes to the siding a little larger than the anchor bolt, and then I went ahead and filled the entire cavity with some marine clear silicone. Yeah, we can't have that. That needs to be black right now. Right, absolutely now. That's better.
Good form.
Up and out of the way. And with these bins, it makes it so even if you're 6 foot tall, you can walk right up to the edge of the garage, so there's no impediment there.